Hello students, in this lecture we are going to start the examples in the miscellaneous exercise of the differential equation. In the previous 20 lectures we cover all concepts and all examples in this chapter. Now in the miscellaneous exercise we recall all the types of the examples. In this chapter we see the definition of the differential equation, then the order and degree of the differential equation. Okay. After that we see the formation of the differential equation and the solution of the differential equation. When we form the differential equation, we use the derivative, and when we solve the differential equation, we use the integration. In the solution of the differential equation, there are the two types. One is a general solution and second is a particular solution of the differential equation. Okay. For the solving the differential equation, we see the four methods to solve the differential equation. Here the variable separable form, we separate the variable and integrate and get the solution. It is a general solution or the particular solution. If we cannot be separate, then we reduce the variable separable form by using the substitution. Then we see the homogeneous differential equation, and lastly we see the linear differential equation, and after that we see the application of the differential equation. Okay, application in the equation of tangent and the curve and the growth and the decay are the applications of the differential equation. Now in this lecture we see the examples in the miscellaneous exercise. In this miscellaneous exercise we see the examples which are already see such type of the examples here. In the miscellaneous exercise, the first question is the MCQ type question. Okay, we see the directly second question. In the second question, the first example, it is a determine the degree and order of the differential equation. Okay, we know, and such type of examples we already done. Here the order and degree of the differential equation. Order of the differential equation, it is the highest order derivative in the differential equation, and the degree of the differential equation, it is the power of the highest order derivative. Okay, it is a power of the highest order derivative. It is a degree of the differential equation. Okay, that means when the differential equation is in the polynomial of the differential coefficient, then we say the degree of the differential equation. It is a power of the highest order derivative. It is a degree, and order, it is the highest order derivative in the differential equation. Okay, now here it is the first example. Now we write the order and degree of this first example. Therefore solution. Okay, here first, given differential equation, given differential equation is, it is d2y by dx2 plus 5dy by dx plus y is equal to x cube. Now it is a given differential equation, and here clearly the highest order derivative is the second order derivative, and the power of the highest order derivative, it is 1. Therefore the order of differential equation, order of differential equation is 1. Sorry, it is order, it is 2, and degree of differential equation is 1. Okay, order of differential equation, it is 2, and degree of the differential equation is 1. Now we see the second example. Here in this second example, the given differential equation, it is d3y by dx3 whole square is equal to fifth root of 1 plus dy by dx. It is a fifth root. Okay, now to find the, here it is a order, it is a clearly third order derivative. To find the degree, here we are taking the fifth power because it is a fifth root, and the power of the differential coefficient are in the integers only. Okay, here it is a power 1 by 5. Okay, so it is not a polynomial. That means here taking fifth power, taking fifth power on both sides. Okay, then we get, see carefully, taking the fifth power, we get d3y by dx3 whole to the power 2 and to the power 5, that means it is a power 10, and here it is a fifth root get cancelled, and now here it is a 3. Now the order of differential equation, it is a 3, and degree of the differential equation, it is 10. Therefore order of differential equation is 3 and degree of differential equation is 10. Order of the differential equation, it is 3 and degree of the differential equation is 10. Now the third example. Here the third, it is a cube root of 1 plus dy by dx square is equal to d2y by dx2. Here, now again here the order of the differential equation, it is 2, but here it is a cube root, so taking cube on both sides. Then when taking cube on both sides, it is 1 plus dy by dx whole square is equal to d2y by dx2. It is cube. Now here order of differential equation is 2 and degree of the differential equation is 3. Order of this differential equation, it is 2 and degree of the differential equation, it is 3. Okay, here it is a fifth root, so we are taking fifth power. Here it is a cube root, so we are taking the third power on both sides, and now here it is a fourth root, so we are taking the fourth power on both sides. Okay, here next the fourth example, dy by dx is equal to 3y plus fourth root of 1 plus dy by dx, okay, square. Now clearly here it is a first order derivative, therefore order of the differential equation, it is 1. Now we calculate this only for the degree of the differential equation. Okay, order it is 1. Now here it is a fourth root, so taking fourth power on both sides, but we can directly when taking fourth power on both sides, then it is a 3y plus this fourth root and whole to the power 4. Then this fourth root cannot be cancelled. So first we write dy by dx minus 3y is equal to fourth root of 1 plus dy by dx square. And now taking fourth power, on both sides, okay, and therefore we get dy by dx minus 3y to the power 4 is equal to 1 plus dy by dx square. Okay, now when we expand this, here we get dy by dx to the power 4. That means order of the differential equation, it is 1, but degree of the differential equation, it is 4, because here we get the power 4 and here it is power 2. Therefore order of differential equation is 1 and a degree of differential equation is 4. Degree it is 4 and order it is 1. Now the last example. here d4y upon dx4 plus sine of dy by dx is equal to 0. Now here the order of the differential equation it is 4, but here the differential coefficient, that means the derivative in the angle of the sine, that means it is not a polynomial in a differential coefficient. So the order it is 4, but degree cannot be determined. Here order of differential equation is 4, and here given differential equation is not polynomial in differential coefficients. Therefore degree cannot be determined. Okay, here it is the first example in the miscellaneous exercise. It is the order and degree of the differential equation. In the miscellaneous exercise, all types of the examples we have already done. In this miscellaneous exercise, we recall all types of the examples. Now next, now the second example. In each of the following example, verify the given function is a solution of the differential equation. Okay, here that means x square plus y square is equal to r square is solution of this differential equation. Here it is a square. Okay, now here we want to prove that this expression is solution of this differential equation. Okay, now we given x square plus y square is equal to r square, we differentiate it. When we get this differential equation, then it is solution of the differential equation. Now we solve this. Here given that given equation, it is x square plus y square is equal to r square. It is given. We take equation number 1. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of x square, it is a 2x, plus derivative of y square, it is a 2y dy by dx, and derivative of r square, it is a 0. Now we write this dy by dx. Okay, it is a 2y dy by dx. 2y dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. This minus 2x, and therefore dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. 2 get cancelled and y right in the denominator. Now when we differentiate, it is a dy by dx. Here only one, it is a dy by dx. First order, we want to first order derivative dy by dx, and here also dy by dx. Now we want to prove that this differential equation is a solution of, it is solution of this differential equation, it is this. Okay, now here we take the LHS in the differential equation. Now it is x dy by dx plus r into under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Now we know the value of the dy by dx, it is minus x by y. We put the value of dy by dx, it is a minus x by y in this relation. When we get it is equal to y, then it is the solution of this differential equation. Now put the value of dy by dx, then it is x into minus x by y plus r into under root of 1 plus minus x by y square. Then it is minus x square upon y plus r into under root of, see carefully the calculation, it is x square upon y square, and it is plus when taking the square, then it is y square plus x square upon y square. And here we know that x square plus y square is equal to r square. Put the value of this x square plus y square. Then it is minus x square upon y plus r into under root of r square upon y square by 1. Okay, here it is x square plus y square, we take r square, and now it is minus x square upon y plus it is r, and it is r square upon y square, taking square root, then it is r by y, so we can write r square upon y. Okay, this r and it is r square. Okay, it is under root r square, it is r into r, it is r square, and it is y. And now here denominator is same, r square minus x square upon y, and again by equation 1 it is y square upon y by 1. Okay, and then it is y. Okay, that means the solution this, and therefore the x square plus y square is equal to r square is solution of the differential equation x dy by dx plus r into under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square is equal to y. Okay, is the solution of this differential equation. Okay, see carefully the calculation. Now we see the next example. Now here it is the second example. Y is equal to e to the power ax into sin bx is solution of the differential equation. Here it is a d2i by dx2 minus 2a dy by dx plus a square plus b square y is equal to 0. Okay. Now here the given function it is y is equal to e to the power ax into sin bx. Now we want to prove that is solution of this differential equation. Now that means when we differentiate 2 times of this relation we get this relation. Okay, such type of the examples we have already learned in our chapter differentiation, higher order derivative. In that chapter the question is asked, if y is equal to e to the power x into sin bx, then show that this relation. Okay, same example here given, y is equal to e to the power x into sin bx, we differentiate twice, and then from these relations we get the differential equation. Okay, now here first differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, then differentiation it is dy by dx is equal to here u into v e raised to ax first function as it is into derivative of the second function, that is derivative of sin bx plus second function as it is into derivative of the first function, that is e raised to ax. Now differentiate this, e raised to ax into derivative of sin bx, it is a cos bx into b, okay, plus sin bx as it is into derivative of this e raised to ax into a, and now we take e raised to ax common, therefore we get
dy by dx is equal to e raised to ax into b cos of bx plus a into sin of bx. Okay, here when we take this e raised to ax common, now it is a first order derivative. Okay, now again differentiate, we get the second order derivative. Again differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of the dy by dx, it is d2y by dx2. Okay, now here, now it is first function and this bracket it is a second function. Same, u into v, first as it is, derivative of the second, e raised to ax as it is, first as it is, we can write directly the derivative of this. Here b as it is, and derivative of cos bx, it is a minus sin bx into p plus a into derivative of cos b sin bx, it is a cos bx into p. Okay, here it is the first as it is, derivative of the second. Now the second as it is, derivative of the first, then plus it is b cos bx plus a sin bx into derivative of the second, that is e raised to ax into a. Again here e raised to ax and e raised to ax we take common. When we take common, then we get, see carefully this, e raised to ax take common, then it is minus b square sin bx. Okay, then here ab cos bx. Okay, see carefully, it is b square, here ab, then again here we multiply by this a, e raised to ax take common, it is again abx. Okay, here ab into cos bx and here ab into cos bx, it is a 2ab cos bx. See carefully this, and it is a square. Okay, here minus b square sin bx. See carefully this, b square minus b square, it is b square, and it is a sin bx as it is. Now the second term, here a into b, ab cos bx, ab cos bx, and here it is a b cos bx and it is a, that means again it is ab cos bx. There here ab cos bx, here ab cos bx, that means 2ab cos bx plus 2ab cos bx. Now plus it is a into a square sin bx, and now it is a second order derivative. It is a first order derivative, it is second order derivative, but we want to show this relation. Okay, again here take LHS and put the value of dy by dx and d2y by dx2. When we get 0, then our relation is a solution of this differential equation. Now LHS of this relation, it is a d2y by dx2 minus 2a dy by dx plus a square plus b square y. Okay, we want to, the value of this relation is equal to 0, so put value of the d2y by dx2, dy by dx and y in this relation. Okay, it is y, it is a dy by dx and it is d2y by dx2. Put all values. Then first d2y by dx2, it is e to the power ax minus b square sin bx plus 2ab cos bx plus a square sin bx. It is a value of only d2y by dx2. It is a d2y by dx2. Now the second term is 2a dy by dx, 2a and it is a dy by dx. Then minus 2a dy by dx, it is e to the power ax into b cos bx plus a sin bx, and last term this plus a square plus b square into y it is e to the power ax into sin bx. Okay, here in this step we put only the values of d2y by dx2, dy by dx and y. It is y, it is dy by dx, and it is d2y by dx2. Put the value of d2y by dx2, dy by dx, and it is y. Okay, now we take the calculation. Here we it is e to the power ax, e to the power ax, e to the power x in all three terms. So e to the power ax take common. Here it is e to the power x, e to the power x, and it is e to the power x. Now the remaining terms are minus b square sin bx plus 2ab cos bx plus a square sin bx. Now we take e to the power 2x common, that means it is minus 2ab cos bx. Then here we write minus 2ab cos bx, then again minus 2a square sin bx. See carefully, it is a 2a and it is a, it is a 2a square and it is sin bx. Now again here it is a square into sin bx plus a square sin bx and plus b square sin bx. A square sin bx and b square sin bx. And now last e to the power ax into, see carefully this, here minus b square sin bx and it is a plus b square sin bx get cancelled. It is minus b square sin bx and it is plus b square sin bx get cancelled. It is a 2ab cos bx and it is minus 2ab cos bx. Okay, here see carefully, it is minus b square sin bx plus b square sin bx cancelled. 2ab cos bx, it is a 2 minus 2ab cos bx get cancelled. And here a square sin bx, it is a square sin bx, both are the plus, it is a plus 2a square b square, 2a square sin bx, and it is minus 2a square sin bx. That means in the bracket all terms are the cancel, it will be 0 and then it is a 0. That means the value of this relation, it is 0, and therefore y is equal to e to the power ax into sin bx is solution of differential equation d2y by dx2 minus 2a dy by dx and plus a square plus b square y is equal to 0. It is a solution of this differential equation. Okay, see carefully all calculations. First it is y, find dy by dx, then d2y by dx2, and put all three values in the differential equation, we get 0. Okay, that means it is solution of this differential equation. Okay, see carefully. Now the next example. Next, the third example, y is equal to 3 cos of log x. Third example, y is equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x is solution of the differential equation x d2y by dx2 plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Now here the given differential equation, given relation y is equal to 3 into cos of log x plus 4 into sin of log x. Okay, now such type of example we have already learned in 2 times. First in the differentiation chapter, our first chapter, and in this chapter formation of the differential equation. Okay, only here the 3 and 4 replaced by the arbitrary constant. Here it is a and it is b. Solution is the same. Okay, here now here given y is equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x. We want to prove that this. Okay, that means this is the solution of the differential equation. When we differentiate this equation 2 times, we get this relation. Differentiate with respect to x. Here dy by dx is equal to 3 as it is. Derivative of cos of log x, it is a minus sin of log x into derivative of log x, it is, we can write directly 1 by x plus 4 into cos of log x into 1 by x. 4 sin of log x, it is 4 as it is. Derivative of sin of cos log x, it is a cos of log x, and derivative of log x, it is x. Now again differentiate, but when we differentiate, it is a sin of log x and into 1 by x. Here we use the u into v or u by v, but here u into v or u by v we use 2 times. There is also multiplication of the 2 functions. So here we multiply throughout by x, then this x get cancelled, we get the relation multiply throughout by x dy by dx is equal to minus 3 sin of log x plus 4 cos of log x. Now again differentiate with respect to x. Here x into dy by dx, the derivative is x square, it is x as it is, derivative is a d2i by dx2 plus dy by dx as it is, derivative of x, it is 1. First as it is, derivative of the second, then second as it is, derivative of the first, and here it is a minus 3 sin of log x, derivative of sin of log x, it is a cos of log x into 1 by x, and here derivative of cos of log x, it is a minus 4 sin of log x into 1 by x. Now again throughout multiplying by x, then we get it is a x square d2i by dx2 plus x dy by dx and is equal to minus this x get cancelled and we take minus common, therefore it is a 3 cos of log x and plus 4 sin of log x. Okay, see carefully this. Here we differentiate, here we use the u into v, it is u into v. Differentiate sin of log x, this sin of derivative of the sin of log x, cos of log x into 1 by x, and again derivative of the cos of log x, it is a minus sin of log x into 1 by x. Again multiply by x, then here it is x square, it is x, and here x get cancelled, we take this minus common. When we take minus common, it is a 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x, 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x, and therefore we get here x square d2i by dx2 plus x dy by dx is equal to minus y, and this y we can write here. Therefore x square d2i by dx2 plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Here or it is solution. Now here it is a square, and therefore y is equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x is solution of differential equation x square d2y by dx2 plus x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Okay, see carefully this. Okay. Here simple, we differentiate the given relation. When we get the required differential equation, then this relation is a solution of the differential equation. Okay. Now we see the next. Fourth example. xy is equal to a into e to the power x plus b into e to the power minus x plus x square. We verify is the solution of the differential equation. It is x d2y by dx2 plus 2 dy by dx plus x cube is equal to xy plus 2. Now here it is a given solution. We verify this is the solution of this differential equation. Therefore given relation, given that it is xy is equal to a into e to the power x plus b into e to the power minus x plus x square. Okay. Now we want to differentiate this relation. Okay. Here before differentiate we take this x square in the LHS. Therefore xy minus x square is equal to a into e to the power x plus b into e to the power minus x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Here x into y, here we use the u into v. First as it is, derivative of the second, plus second as it is into derivative of the first. It is a derivative of x into y minus the derivative of x square. It is a 2x is equal to a into e to the power x. It is a derivative of a into e to the power x plus b into e to the power x into minus 1. Okay. Here it is a derivative of b into e to the power minus x. b into e to the power minus x into minus 1. Now again differentiate, or before differentiate we write this. It is x dy by dx plus y minus 2x is equal to a into e to the power x minus b into e to the power minus x, this minus. Now again differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. Then again here we use the u into v, x into dy by dx. First as it is, derivative of the second plus second as it is, derivative of the first. It is the derivative of x into dy by dx plus dy by dx minus 2. It is a derivative of LHS. Here x into dy by dx differentiate with respect to x. Here we use the u into v. First as it is, derivative of second, then second as it is, derivative of first, then plus derivative of y, and plus, sorry, it is minus derivative of 2x, it is 2. Now again here differentiate. A into e to the power x minus b into e to the power minus x into minus 1. So you can write here plus. And now x d2y by dx2 plus 2 dy by dx. This 2 dy by dx minus 2. Okay, it is dy by dx, and is equal to a into e to the power x plus b into e to the power minus x, a into e to the power x. Okay, here we take, it is equation number 1, and now it is xy minus x square, okay, by 1. See carefully this. And here, now it is xy minus x square e raised to x. We put this value, and here x d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx plus dy by dx, it is minus 2, and here xy minus x square. Okay. Now we want to write the last answer. Therefore x d2y by dx2 plus 2 dy by dx. This minus x square we can write in the LHS. It is x square is equal to xy plus 2. Okay. Here it is a x square. And now is the solution of this differential equation, and therefore xy is equal to a into e to the power x plus b into e to the power minus x plus x square is solution of differential equation x d2y by dx2 plus 2 dy by dx plus x square is equal to xy plus 2 is the solution of this differential equation. Now we see the last example in the question number 2. Example number 5, x square plus, sorry, it is x square equal to 2y square into log y. Here we verify is the solution of the differential equation x square plus y square is equal to xy into dx by dy. Here in the previous all examples there is a derivative dy by dx, but here it is a dx by dy. So to the simplification, here we differentiate with respect to y. Okay. Here we want to dx by dy. Here given x square is equal to 2y square into log y. Now this relation we differentiate with respect to y. Here it is a, we want to dx by dy, therefore differentiate with respect to y. The derivative of x square, it is a 2x dx by dy. It is a derivative of x square with respect to y. Okay. Derivative of x square with respect to y. And here 2 as it is. Here u into v, both are the functions of y, and we find the derivative with respect to y. Therefore it is first as it is into derivative of the second plus second as it is into derivative of the first. Differentiate with respect to y. Then it is 2 to get cancelled, these 2 and these 2. Therefore x dx by dy is equal to, this y get cancelled, only y plus 2y into log x. Okay. Here these two cancel, but here it is a 2. Now we want to x square plus y square is equal to x y dx by dy. Here it is x dx by dy. We want to x y dx by dy. So multiply throughout by y. Then we get x into y dx by dy. X into y multiply by y. Then it is y square is equal to, y square plus 2y square log y. it is log y. We multiply by y. Again here 2y square log y, 2y square log y, it is x square by 1. xy dxy dy is equal to y square plus x square, and that means x square plus y square is equal to xy dx by dy, xy dx by dy. And here last answer we can write, last answer x square plus 2y square log y is solution of this differential equation. In this differential equation their derivative is dx by dy, so we differentiate with respect to y, differentiate with respect to y. Now we get the relation, it is xy dx by dy y square plus x square, that means x square plus 2y square log y is solution of the differential equation x square plus y square is equal to xy dx by dy. Okay, write the last step, see carefully this.